Hello, good morning. I am Dr. AROCIA G, RUBAN, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Theivanai College for Women, Autonomous, Villupuram. So today I am going to take the class on fundamentals of commerce. So before we go into topic, first we see what is commerce. Commerce is the exchange of goods and service. So today commerce plays a vital role in all the sectors, and commerce is the exchange of goods and service. So exchange of goods means the goods is transferred from the producer to the consumer in various forms, and also services is transferring from one person to another person. For example, we are the customers. Every individual person is considered as a customers. So we are if we are going to buy a product like pen, pencil or anything, that is also one of the commerce activities. And if we want to travel from one place to another place, we are using the services. That is also one of the commerce activities. And next one, it includes all the activities that facilitates this exchange. So it means in the exchange of goods and services, it includes various factors like commission and all other activities like that. And it has two main branches: trade and aid to trade. So before we go into the branches of commerce, we have to see the objectives of commerce. So first, it is satisfy the human wants. For example, every human being have the wants and needs. So from basic to luxury wants. So the commerce is satisfying the human wants and needs. For example, if you are buying paste or brush or pencil or paper or anything, it's a want for a human. So if we want that one, we are going to that shop and we are buying that thing. And the next one, create employment opportunities. Commerce create employment opportunities. That means after studying the commerce, BCom or MCom or any other activities like CA, ICWA, like that, it creates employment opportunities. After completing the commerce degree, we are going to start a business, and after that we are worked in banking sector, insurance sectors and investment sectors like that. And third one, encourage production and distribution. It encourage the production and distribution. That means if we study commerce, we come to know how to produce a good, and what are the ways and what are the costs are included in the production. And also we come to know how to distribute that goods and services to the consumers, how to transfer goods from one place to another place, and how to distribute the goods from one person to another person. And the next one, it promotes the economic growth. So the commerce promotes the economic growth of the country, of the society, of the place which we are living. It also increase the standard of living of the individual person, and it also increase the standard of living of groups. And the next one, branches of commerce. So mainly the branches of commerce is divided into trade and auxiliaries of trade. So when we come to the trade, it comes under domestic trade and international trade. So domestic trade, it means in wholesale trade and retail trade, and international trade means import trade, export trade and interport trade. So domestic trade. So let me see one by one. Domestic trade include wholesale and retail. Wholesaler is a agent between and act as a bridge between the consumer and the producer. So the wholesaler get the goods from the producer and the manufacturer and giving the goods and services to the retailer, and the retailer gives the services to the goods and services to the consumer. So wholesale is a big sale, big sale person. So this person include these persons have a good conduct of the many retailers. So wholesaler means we can say a big market. For example, that mall and the shopping complex and that shopping mall. For example, we have the Reliance shopping mall. That is the wholesale trader, wholesale domestic trader. So in that wholesale domestic trader, we can find all the products from basic to the luxury products. And the retailer means it is a like a petty shop. So we can in every streets or in every town we have the retail shops. In the retail shop we can get the minimum amount of products. And when we come to the international trade, we have three categories: import trade, export trade, and interport trade. So import trade means we are importing goods from the other countries. For example, we are getting that iron products or the steel products from other countries like China, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, like that. And also export trade means we are exporting goods to the other countries. We are exporting goods to other countries like China, Zimbabwe, South Africa, like that. And port trade means that is also re-import and re-export. We are doing that re-import and re-export trade. We are re-importing if any fault is happened in that trade. We are importing the goods again and again. And next we comes to the aids to trade. That we have transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, and advertising. So we are also know transport. So transport is very important to in commerce. We are using the transport facilities to transfer the goods from one place to another place. Without transport, it is difficult to transfer the goods from one place to another place. And the next one is banking. So the banking is also a very important sector and an important factor in that commerce. Without banking, we cannot do the transaction like payment. So every payment is done in the banking. So that banking sector is regulating the payment, and they are making a good relationship between the customer and the traders. And the third one is insurance. Insurance also help in the trade, because for example, if we are exporting the goods from here to Sri Lanka or South Africa or Tanzania, the insurance is important. Suppose if anything is happened in the sea, or if anything is happened in the flight, or anything is happened in any other mode of transportation, we are using insurance. That will safeguard the goods we are importing or we are exporting the goods. And the next one is warehousing. Warehousing means it is a safeguard facilities. Every traders or every businessman, every large type of businessman, they have to do. They have to safeguard the goods, and after that only we are transferring the goods from one place to another place. And the next one is advertising. Advertising is also important, because nowadays advertising is very very important, because there are many competitors are in that commerce field. So advertising is an important factor that help our business to promote to other sectors. And the next one is importance of commerce. So in the importance of commerce, there are mainly four importance is there: link between producers and consumers, boost standard of living, support industrial and economic development, encourage internal cooperation. So first one, let me see one by one. First one, link between the producers and customers. So if we see the picture, we can come to know it creates a link between the seller and buyer. For example, if we are buying a goods or if we are selling a goods from the consumer or from the producer, it creates a link between, it creates a relationship between the producers and the consumers. For example, if you are buying a paste, or if you are buying a pen, or if you are buying a notebook from the seller, it will create a relationship between the buyer and the seller. And the next one, it boosts the standard of living. That means it for example, if anyone is including in the commerce, it will help to improve the standard of living, both sellers and producers. Both of the persons will grow up in the standard of living. And the third one, supports industrial and economic development. So the third important, it supports industrial and economic development. Definitely commerce will help the industries and economic development of the country. It will for example, if an organization is importing or exporting goods from one place to another place, it will make industrial sectors in that particular area, and it creates a more employment of that area, and also it helps for the economic development. So economic development of the society, economic development of the company. And the last one is encourage international cooperation. So suppose if we are doing the business of international business, so we are importing goods and exporting goods and services from the other countries, or it creates a good relationship between the countries and encourage that more and more import and export operation. These are the importance of commerce. The next one, the difference between commerce, business and trade. The first one, scope. Commerce is a broad sector. It includes aids to trade and other activities. Business includes industry plus trade, and trade includes narrow buying and selling. Only they are buying and selling the goods. And the objectives, commerce is a distribution. So if we want to distribute, or if we want to spread the goods from one place to another place, we are using the commerce. That is the distribution. And business means production plus profit. So it includes the production, and we are earning some profit. For example, and trade. When we come to trade, it includes only exchange. That means they are making a bridge between the buyers and sellers, and the retailers and the wholesalers. That means for the exchange purpose, they are getting the commission only. And the last one, careers in commerce. That means if a person is studying the commerce sector, so these are the careers in commerce: the banking, investment, insurance, capital, accounting and taxation, company secretary, cost and work accountant, cost and management accountant, actuaries, certified financial planners. Banking. So after completing BCom or MCom, we can enter into the banking sector, and we can do the banking business. And the next one, investment. Investment means we can invest in the stock market, we can invest in the mutual funds, or we are doing the business. And the third one is insurance. We can insure the business, and we can insure that business opportunities. And the next one is capital market. We can invest the money in the capital market, and we can do the capital analysis, and we can suggest that persons how to invest, and in what sectors, in what time, in what is the right time to invest, and we can buy the shares and we can sell the shares. And the next one is accounting and taxation, because taxation, every government is run with the help of the tax. So accounting and taxation we can do after completing the commerce degree, that is BCom or MCom, we can do that. And the company secretary, so after completing the ICWA or CA or any other professional courses in commerce, we can act as a company secretary. We can advise the company how to run the company, and what are the laws are included in the company. And the next one, cost and work accountant. So for example, cost and work accountant, its main work is they are uh, include the production and the work accessibility. So we can analyze the cost and work factors and other things. And the next one is cost and management accountant. We act as cost and management accountant. What are the costs are included? How much cost is included in that in the production and things. And actuaries is also act as a what are the actual values and what are the other values are included. And satisfied financial planner. After completing the commerce, we can act as a certified financial planner. How we can plan for our financial activities in the individual factor or in the company way. So these are the careers in commerce. And the last one is conclusion. So commerce is a vital for modern society because commerce is the king and commerce is the broad area that rules the human being. It decides the economic value. So commerce is very important for all the activities and all for the human being. It brings producers and consumers together. So commerce brings together and they can make a collaboration between the producers and consumers. And the last one, understanding fundamental sets the base for future business and financial careers. So it creates a understanding between the future business and financial careers. So these are the fundamental things of the commerce. And thank you for the patient listening. Thank you.